Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to do only some required cells read only in Excel. So for this I have some basic data so that we can understand this. I have three columns: hours worked, rate per hour and labor cost. And labor cost is the multiplication of hours worked and rate per hour. Now suppose my requirement is that I want only the column of hours worked to be editable for the user and these two columns to be non-editable. So how to achieve this? Let's have a look on it. So first I will do Control A, then I will go to Format Cells, then here on Protection tab I will uncheck this locked button. Okay, now I will select the cells which are required to be read only, Control and selection. So I have selected the cells which I required to be read only. Then I will again go to Format Cells. On Protection tab I will click on this checkbox and it will be locked. Then I will click on OK. Now I will go to Protect Sheet button of this Review tab. Now I will enter the password. I will re-enter the password to confirm that. OK. Now only these cells are editable and other cells have become read only. So if I can change anything here like this, and accordingly the result will be changed. But if I try to make any change here, for example if I try to enter 4 here, it will display the message that the cell or chart you are trying to change is protected and therefore read only. So this is how it is achieved. So if I want to unprotect that again, then I will have to again go to Unprotect Sheet tab. I will have to enter the password. Okay. Now I will be able to make changes here. So this is how it is achieved. I hope you have understood this very well. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel so that in future also whatever new videos will be entered, you will be able to access that. Thanks for watching it.